That's good, man. I can't turn the camera off because every time I do, they start dancing again. It's on. She's throwing it up. She's throwing, man. Well, be pissed off. You know, push me, you know, be a monkey. Just how it goes. What's in that jug? What they got in that jug? Stand out, you know. Stand this over. Hey, stand this over. This one over here ain't standing up too good. Hell, I got to be back. I don't understand. Hey, how you doing, lady? I'm filming all your friends on the good side. Drinking that damn orange juice, whatever they got. I don't know what it is, but they like it. You want me to film you? Look, folks, you're too close to the camera. I can't. It's too close. It won't pick up so close. Yeah, we're off. You make it. We're off. You make it. You back up. Closest is a good name. We need power roll. My boys.
Oh, well, here, all of this you chugging.
Ah, no, you good. My God. I walked in there way out. Alcohol.
Rednecks go wild! Woo! Yeah, we're definitely going to jail tonight, boys.
Suck on it! Okay. Oh, shit.
I got that.
Give me my cigarette. Drop it.
I can't even see. I can't see what it's recording because the sun's too bright on it.
I'm trying to give her a pineapple.
That got a damn big old jug though. I'm telling you what, that's about 3 gallons.
Yeah, it was. Tonight.
It was? This morning?
It was this morning.
Where are you from, buddy?
Harold, Florida, son.
Harold, what's your name?
Michael Lovins.
Right on. Where are you from? What's your name?
I don't know.
Heather Stead.
No comment. Where are you from? What's your name?
Hayes, Florida. My name's Hannah McKinley. Welcome.
She wanted y'all to see that too as she said her name, so awesome, that's awesome. We have everybody's giving a fist bump to the camera right now.
There you go, you ready? I'm about to chug this son of a bitch.
Okay,
go. Hey, get down.
Alright, get down with it. Let's go, folks. This will be the end of this clip. Y'all check him out. He gonna chug this, punch.
If you ain't first, you last. Hell yeah.
He's from Harold. He's got it dripping all down his chest. And
Let me look at this.
there you go. That's a damn body shot, right? She picked a pill on her butt. Hey, she was doing a body shot off of him while the other friend was feeling on the butt.
Hey, roll motherfucking time.
If this ain't a damn good video, what the hell is? Folks, y'all missed one hell of a good party. If you didn't come to the first annual Rednecks Gone Wild 2 float, you better get your ass down here next year because we have fun.
Because we're going to get buck wild and get naked and you're fucked.
They might get naked, but y'all won't see that on YouTube because obviously YouTube doesn't allow that. But it allows that.
That's sexy right there. I don't care who you are.